Today we're working on the front entryway again, and we figure it needs a little something. It's something like this. So in the previous video, I had an angle brace going from here up to here for our support on this side of the roof. Now I have a temporary stud sitting here, and now we just have to do something to make that look appealing. So we're looking at these 2x2s in order to make that happen. We're thinking to add the support and keep it aesthetically pleasing is to have some 2x2s running vertical all the way along this first step down here and space them approximately 1.5 inches apart. First step is attaching our bottom piece. I did my layout here, and I'm gonna try to hide the Tapcon inside our balusters. Boom, bottom piece on. Now for the top piece. Top piece is on. Time to put the final boards on. All right, that's that. Got those done. Turned out pretty nice in my opinion. Makes this look a lot better, and it supports it pretty nicely. There we go. Done. Doesn't look half bad either. What do you think? You like it?
Yes, as I just said, this is going to be a wow factor.
It's gonna make our door look that much better. Wait until you guys see our door. So with these done, all I have to do is touch up some nails. You might have seen some nails pop out as I was shooting them, but all I have to do is punch in some nails, on the bottom and the top. And that's another part of our entry done. Thank you guys so much if you watched all the way through. If you like these videos, we'll keep doing them. But if you do like them even more, you could subscribe if you want and hit the like button. But we'll see you next time. Stay scrappy.